Attention now to the significant development in the Nijjar killing case as well. In breaking updates coming in, the Canadian government has moved to take the case directly into trials, bypassing the pre-trial proceedings. So the case against 4 Indian nationals will now proceed directly to trial, as the Surrey Provincial Court has stayed any further pre-trial process. This move marks a pivotal step in the ongoing legal proceedings in Canada. The Canadian government set to proceed with the hearing of 4 Indian citizens accused of killing the pro-Khalistan figure Hardeep Singh Nijjar without a preliminary hearing. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, what does this mean? Because there has been no preliminary hearing, and remember, in the case, India as well time and again has asked Canada for proof. There's been no evidence provided whatsoever. So what does this latest development mean?
Well, if we talk about the whole development in the Nijjar killing case that is under trial in Canada, now this is something that Canadian government has gone ahead saying that preliminary hearing will not take place and direct indictment will take place, which means that the 4 Indian nationals who have been accused of killing Hardeep Singh Nijjar by the Canadian authorities will not be given chance, their counsel will not be given chance to examine the prosecution evidence, and directly in trial they'll get whatever evidence the government or the agencies have against the 4 Indian nationals. This in a way is in contradiction to the natural justice as per Canadian law as well. In Canada, you get preliminary hearing where the defense counsel is made aware of all the evidence that the agency or the prosecution have against the accused, and the defense then goes ahead with their set of argument in the trial. Here, the Canadian government has said that they will directly go into indictment, which means that the letter will be unsealed, the charges will be unsealed, and it will be for the first time that the defense will get to know that what they will be arguing against. And this, in a way, very categorically shows that how serious Canadian government is to actually get justice for quote-unquote their Hardeep Singh Nijjar, who is a proscribed terrorist here in India. Apart from that, the preliminary hearing was going on in Surrey Provincial Court. That has been halted after this move of Canadian government. So, in a way, Canadian government, who have been talking about rule of law throughout, this whole controversy, is actually not going by the law in this case.
Okay, so the rule of law is being skipped, but the question remains, why? Rishabh, thank you for joining us with those details. We're keeping a close track of the developments on that story, but for now, we're slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere.